everybody, my name is Hope. I am known as the Diva that crochets, and welcome to Hope's Loving Hands. Today I am crocheting a baby Afghan blanket in pink and brown. It is a teddy bear and it is a paid pattern, so I cannot share the pattern with you. You have to go purchase it yourself. But I just came on here to see what y'all was doing, what's going on, and show you a couple of things that I made. So I had to mail off stuff today. I went to the post office. I had to mail off stuff for my customers, but I was on YouTube, and I was seeing that this is like all the rage right now, so I decided to make me one. So here it is in the beige, the crisscross. I would take off my hat, but my hair is crazy. The crisscross headband, and I think I did a pretty good job for my first time. And that's what it looks like. And then I have made a hat and scarf with a face mask for a customer, and my son, he loves green. Green is his favorite color. So he was like, "Mommy, could you make me the scarf?" So I'm starting to make the scarf. It has the hole in it for you to put when you put it around your neck and then you stick it in the hole. So it has that hole. So I'm starting to make that for my son. And then I have this baby blanket, and I have an order for a crochet kango. I had 2 crochet kangos, sent out one today, and I have to make another one, and I'll mail that one out next week Monday, because I go to the post office every Monday due to Corona. I am in Brooklyn, New York, so it is, I believe, high levels here, so I try not to stay outside too long. But what are y'all doing? Like, what's going on? What's going on? Tell me what's going on. I am in the middle of this, and I said, let me come on here and talk to y'all for a few minutes, let y'all know what I am doing, and hopefully find out what y'all doing, what is on your hook. And I will come back here again. But I want to ask, since I am in the process of making these headbands, I'm going to put them on my website, hopeslovinghands.com. If you didn't know, there you go, hopeslovinghands.com. So I'm going to put these on my website, but I want to know if y'all wanted to do a crochet along with this. If so, let me know. If you on Facebook, I am on Facebook, Hope's Loving Hands on Facebook, and I'm also on Instagram. All that information will be below. If you want me to tag the person, I will. The YouTube channel that did this particular headband pattern, I'll tag her below, her pattern below, so that you can go and we could do a crochet along and crochet those headbands. So I look forward to hearing from y'all in the comments. I will come back and show you my progress. So this is for today. This is so far for today, and I could show you with the pattern. Now this is a picture of one of the items that I made with this pattern. But this one I use the hair yarn. I use the hair yarn. Let me see, do I have another picture? And no, I don't. Where's my phone? Because my mother was driving me crazy. Okay, so let me show you the other one I recently made, and I posted a video on here with the pattern. So I don't know, this seems like to be one of my most popular patterns that people seem to like. Let me go to photos. So this is the one that I just made, and I'm making another one. And hold on, let me scroll up and see if it's on here. Also, if you want to, we can do a crochet along for this one as well. This is another headband. This is the braided headband. So if you want to do a crochet along for that, we can also do a crochet along for that one. I am going to make that braided headband with the matching scarf again, and I'm going to be posting that on my website. I bought this pattern from a young lady. I don't like the way the brim turned out, so I would not recommend her pattern. And when I contacted her, she was kind of rude, so I wouldn't recommend her pattern. And I'm not going to tell you her name, so But I'm trying to see where is the blankie. Okay, so here is the blanket. I did it in 2 colors. Remember, I posted this on the page. And here go the other one. So I should talk to y'all all later. Thank you for coming in. Like I said, I will keep you posted on this blanket. And if you want to do a crochet along for the headband, please comment below. Also like and subscribe to my channel, and go visit my other page, my Facebook, Instagram, and I'm also on Snapchat. Go visit those pages and click the like and follow button so we can get more you can know more when I go live and whatever I'm going to decide to do. Talk to you all later. Thank you. Bye.